I've been working for Mike Morse for 8.5 years now. The most memorable experience is passing the bar in July. Got the results actually as I was sitting in the office. Halloween day of 2019. That was just a magical moment for me. As I was studying for the bar, actually my son was born. He was born in June 2019. He was 2 months early. So that was kind of hectic, chaotic, but my time spent now is with him and my wife, just spending time playing with him, reading to him, playing with him, playing with his toys, watching him learn. It's pretty amazing. Things I love about Michigan, definitely the craft beer scene. I love drinking craft beers. Going up north, my grandparents live up in Oscoda, right on Lake Huron, so going up there, it's fantastic, spending time with family. My favorite quote is definitely, you only limit yourself as far as you limit yourself. So if you don't put any limits, you can strive for anything and you can achieve anything you want. The most rewarding part of my job is by far helping our clients. They're coming to us when they are in a time of need, a time of great need. They're hurt, they have nowhere else to go, and I just love helping our clients.